back to the channel. It is Saturday morning. It is day 7 of Vlogmas. Yes guys, I'm currently wearing my coffee first, life later shirt, and we are still at the, it's a motel, so yeah, we're still at the motel. That's my bed, that's Miss bed. Yes guys, so yeah, this is what they're doing at the moment. I can explain. I am at my lessons. Just really? Hi. Hello. Hello. Hi. On the radio. No, you're on the vlog. Hi. Yes. She ignoring me. Hello. You guys see how rude she is. Very rude. She's ignoring me. Why is my head like this? Also, it need for cream. It really need for cream. Myself. You jump off your finish. And that me tell me yourself start time. So be electric. That's all I need to sleep on like a bed.
No, okay, man. I just see zone me in there, you know. I just see zone me in there.
If you used to little bed like me, you just know say, oh, don't roll. I don't roll anymore.
Yeah, but man.
I had to roll and time I sleep again. Me turn all leave, but me not roll. Let me turn in a one spot.
Is that up at top there, so up at top.
Up at top there. Much thing they sell me beer for last night.
Down the bottom is cheap and up the top.
Hey guys, so we are now in OG Town. Hi Sim Sim.
Hey.
Shan.
I just ate my belly's full.
I know.
And they had me walking all over this damn place.
Guess what I ate, guys? I ate a deli sandwich, ham deli sandwich. I ate diced potatoes. I ate fries. And coffee, mocha vanilla. My first time trying mocha vanilla, and it was awesome. Why are you putting your butt in my video? We're going into this store here to buy nothing but to look. I'm a tree. So hey guys, I made a purchase. We can't find mine, and it did better quality than this, and them claims the light and this and light them now work. We don't know what them are. But anyways, me still a fidget. So yeah, we are walk.
You know, if you're coming from the grill days,
You love?
I have that one there.
Thief.
The red one.
How long time I can't find it?
No man.
She thief me fidget spinner people. See
no,
thief there.
Face a lie. It's a lie.
Face
it's
of a thief.
lie. It's a lie.
It's a lie. It's a lie. May my wish come through. Grinch. Hi Grinch. For Christmas.
It's the supper time coming. Stop it. Thank you. Hi to the vlog.
Ever been in the vlog?
I don't know.
Are you to this?
Hi to the vlog. Wait.
Good. I swear I'll put in every drop piece of that.
Really cut out that part.
Some good ideas. Come on. Mark, give me an idea. You're fine. You're fired with that stupid ass idea.
Just the zinger alone.
Just the zinger only?
Yes, please.
Hey guys, I'm home. And by the way, these are some things I bought. So I bought these at the supermarket to stock on top of my house. I bought a bag of Skittles. I bought some Super Mints. And I bought some Cosmic gumballs. Yeah, so I bought those to stock up my mom's thingy, whatever that is. Alright, I don't know if I can open this because it I think it's gonna melt, so I might have to keep it there. Put that there. And then I'm gonna open these. I was going through a phase.
Well, I'm telling you, when you're going through a phase, just say, I'm going through a phase.
Okay guys, so I've just filled it up. So I've mixed both these two. So here we go. We got some sweets. Yeah, they're displayed so cutely. I'm not gonna open the Skittles because I don't want it to melt. So
My
it'll
cake
stay.
is on fire.
Anyways guys, so I went to Fontana and I got this sign to go on the outside of the house. Which way is this? And it says, it's this way, sorry. So it's this way, it says Merry Christmas. And then I picked up this. It's a Happy Holidays, Happy Holidays thing. And this will go probably somewhere over there in my room. This is to decorate my room. I also got this thingy here. This paper here. I will cut out trees or some leaves, something from this. And yeah, put that up in my room because I got to decorate. These blue things, all these blue stuff and purple stuff will have to go because it's Christmas. So we gonna red and whites at this place. Anyways, I also got, well, this was bought at the supermarket. I also got this Dark and Lovely. Oh yes, I did not get this from Fontana. My bad. I got this, my Dark and Lovely cream, because I'll be doing my hair on Tuesday. Fidget spinner I did not buy in Fontana either. I got these two because I need to start stacking up on the things that I'm going to use to do people's makeup. So I have a girl's makeup to do for a pageant. So I bought this in Shuffle and this in Mahogany. I think this one is her shade. I'm hoping it will be her shade. So yeah, so I'm gonna try these. I hope they work. And I also got myself some makeup wipes. So I got the Ultra Compact Makeup Wet Wipes. So yeah, and I think that is it. That's all I got from Fontana. Yeah. I was saying I got this tripod from eBay. I bought this sometime like in October, somewhere there, September, October, thereabouts. Anyways, so it just got to me. I still have not received my camera. I used Shipme and I think that's why it took me so long. I will give you guys that update some other day. Whenever I get the camera, I'll give you the update on that. So yeah. So I need to find the thing that goes on the camera here so it can hold my phone in the meantime until I get the camera. But I don't know where it is. So we gonna search. Delano. Delano. Hi.
Joy to the world, the Lord is come. But let's go again. Joy
This teacher, I tell you.
to the world, the Lord is come.
Oh, such an adorable
Let
teacher.
earth, right,
Miss Price.
receive
Hi. Yeah, you're going on YouTube, so please call to me.
receive